India's wealthiest individuals raced down the bustling streets of South Mumbai's Peda Road. This street, sedan. Reports suggest that the Aston Martin came to a stop due to a dislocated wheel. Seizing the moment, the driver swiftly escaped by leaping into one of the security vehicles following closely behind. More than 3 weeks since the incident, Mumbai's police remain baffled by the true identity of the mystery driver. Initially, the woman driving the Audi informed authorities that a young man was behind the wheel of the Aston Martin. However, the following day, Banslal Joshi, a long-time employee of Ambani, confessed to being the driver. He stated that he had taken the Aston Martin out for routine maintenance, despite the late hour, and fled out of panic. Regarding the security cover, it was standard protocol for all Ambani cars, regardless of whether a family member was present. While the police recorded Joshi's statement, they refrained from arresting him, uncertain if he was the actual culprit. The question remains, who was the real culprit? Despite this high-profile case, both the police and India's leading television channels, known for investigative journalism, have remained remarkably silent. Ambani has financial ties with the owners of Network 18, a media conglomerate that controls various TV channels and holds a Forbes license. Speculation online has suggested that Akash Ambani, Mukesh's elder son, may have been involved in the collision. Akash, an undergraduate at Brown University, works at Reliance and is being groomed for significant responsibilities by his father. In 2011, he was seen alongside Mukesh in London during a $7.2 billion deal between Reliance and BP. I contacted a spokesperson for Reliance, who confirmed that the Aston Martin involved in the accident was a family car, and Joshi was driving it at the time. Thankfully, there were no injuries or fatalities. Joshi has not faced termination for damaging the luxury vehicle, valued at over $700,000, as accidents can happen to anyone. Meanwhile, the owner of the Audi, after modifying her initial statement, has identified Joshi as the driver of the Aston Martin. Both she and the owner of the Hyundai, whose car was damaged in the incident, have no further complaints. On Christmas Day, they received brand new replacements, a Audi A6 and a Skoda Superb sedan, respectively. As the dust settled, questions arose not only about the circumstances leading to the crash but also about the responsibilities of the privileged class in society. In the aftermath of the accident, Akash Ambani faced scrutiny not just for his actions behind the wheel but also for the broader implications of his status. The incident highlighted the delicate balance between privilege and accountability, reminding us that wealth and influence do not absolve one from the consequences of their choices. In a society where the gap between the rich and the poor continues to widen, such incidents serve as poignant reminders of the disparities that exist and the obligations of those in positions of power. Yet, amidst the darkness, there lies an opportunity for reflection and growth. The Akash Ambani car accident serves as a wake-up call for society as a whole, urging us to reevaluate our priorities and values. It underscores the importance of humility, responsibility, and empathy in a world often defined by excess and extravagance. As Akash Ambani navigates the aftermath of the accident, he is faced not only with legal proceedings but also with a profound moral reckoning. The true measure of his character will not be found in the cars he drives or the wealth he commands but in how he chooses to respond to adversity and take accountability for his actions. In the end, the story of Akash Ambani's Aston Martin accident is not just about one man's brush with tragedy but a broader commentary on the complexities of privilege and the universal truths that bind us all. It serves as a reminder that, regardless of our station in life, we are all accountable for the choices we make and the impact they have on those around us. Hey there, amazing viewers! If you enjoyed this video, Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Your support means the world to us. Also, don't forget to comment on what topic you'd like us to cover in our next video. Your feedback fuels our content creation. While you're here, be sure to check out some of our other videos related to today's topic for more insightful content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.